Yes,
Hello.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
And
Yeah, so let's start. So I think today is the first lecture, demo lecture, right?
yeah,
Okay, so I hope you have watched some videos which I gave you on YouTube.
see, I just briefly saw them, so I didn't I think see them fully.
Okay,
And
try to speak little bit louder. Your voice is very low.
okay, uh, was it okay when I started, or it
Now,
just happened?
now, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Try to be little bit louder.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes,
So
now
yeah,
it's better.
uh, yeah, I have not actually gone through them completely. I just
Okay.
actually yeah. So I think we may have to I think.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Let's start now.
And
Okay, so yeah, tell
see,
me.
in general, I just wanted to set the expectation. See, for me, I think it's more about that spoken part. Probably for the Richa, it's about the certification.
Okay.
But
So
for me, I think
for you, if it is for the spoken part, then for you the grammar becomes more important, grammar and vocabulary.
grammar
Okay.
becomes important.
Yeah,
And
spoken part is more difficult as compared to the exam. Exam is more easy actually. Exam you have to score only 50 or 60%, right? But when it comes to speaking, like more you learn, that is less. Okay, so obviously you have to put more efforts then.
so with that frame of mind, you can keep on guiding me that what I have
Yeah.
to do, what not.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So,
Okay.
and it's more about that business professional communication.
Okay.
So you can keep that also in mind.
Yes, yes, we'll cover all the four modules. Don't worry. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Initially, we'll be starting with the grammar first of all. Okay, and we'll practice each topic properly till B1, and then once your base is set up, then we'll move towards listening and speaking and all that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I have shared my screen. So see, it is the first lecture. So whenever we learn a language, first of all, we have to start with its alphabets, whatever this A B C D, whatever is there. Okay, right. So I am just playing one video. Try to listen to that. These are the German list of letters, the German ABCD. So far, you have done the English ABCD. This is the German ABCD, right? Like A, B, C, D, like that. Okay. So I am playing this video. Try to listen to this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
So that is the German ABCD, right? Okay. So now you have to repeat it with me. In English we have A B C D E F G. In German we have A B C D E F G. Okay. Speak with me. Repeat. A B C D E
A,
F G. Mm-hmm.
A, B, C, D,
Mm-hmm.
E, F,
A
A.
F G. Okay. A B C D E F G. Clear?
It is gay or G in
Gay, gay.
for
G in English and gay in German. Okay. A B C D E F G. Not G. It's G in English. A B C D
no, no,
E F G. That is in English. I am saying German. Okay.
no, no, I was saying G double E, G, G.
Gay,
So
gay,
not
not G double E. The sound is gay. Okay. That is the one which you write. So they write like that G double E. But the actual sound is gay. A B C D E F G. Okay, whatever audio I have played, that you have to follow, right? No other source. A B C D E F G. Then next is Ha E Yot Ka. Speak.
A, E, J, K,
L M N O P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. L M N O P. Ha E Yot Ka L M N O P.
A, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Yes. Then next is Q R S T. Q R S
R,
T.
R, S, T,
U V W. Okay.
V, Z.
Yes. Q R S T U V W. Again, speak it.
U, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Next is X, Epsilon und Z. Okay?
X, Epsilon,
Mm-hmm.
und,
Yeah,
yeah.
X, Epsilon und Z. Right?
X, Epsilon und Z.
Yes. So again repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K,
H, I, J, K,
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P,
Then next is Q, R, S, T,
Q, R, S, T,
U, V, W.
U, V, W,
And next is X, Epsilon und Z. Okay?
X, Epsilon und Z.
Yes. So I'm playing the video again. Try to listen to it. Okay? 2 times I'm playing this video. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon und Z. What I mean by und? Und means and. So when I say X, Y and Z, that becomes in German X, Epsilon und Z.
So basically for Z it is set only.
Z, Z, that is the name of German Z, okay? Right? That's the name of letter Z. So X, Epsilon und Z. So speak to it, listen to it now. 2 times.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, once again, listen to it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, right? So now you try to speak the things on your own. Okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Yeah. Mm-hmm. A, F, G, not E, it's A. Okay?
G, G.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, F, G, not E. Okay? A, F, G.
Yeah, G, G.
Hmm.
I wrote in the chat below also G. So.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Hmm.
he, E,
No. Ha, E, not he, E. Ha, slowly. You have to speak slowly. No hurry. Ha, E.
Ha, E,
Hmm.
J,
Hmm.
K,
Hmm.
L, N, O, P,
Hmm.
U, R, S, T,
Hmm.
U, V, W,
Hmm.
X, Epsilon, Z.
X, Epsilon und Z.
Und Z.
Okay? X, Epsilon und Z. Got it? Yes. Speak again. Once again.
A,
Hmm.
B,
Hmm.
C,
Hmm.
D,
Mm-hmm. A, F, G.
E, F, G,
Hmm.
H, E, J, K,
Hmm.
L, M, N, O, P,
Hmm.
U, R, S, T, V, W, X, Epsilon und Z.
X, Epsilon und Z. Okay? That is the German ABCD. Now, what is the purpose of this ABCD? See, nobody is going to ask you this ABCD. Right? Only thing is that whenever you have a capital letter in front of you, let's say some name of company, let's say BMW. Okay? So you will not say English. You will not say BMW. You will say BMW. Okay? You will say BMW.
B.
Got it? Yes. So you will say BMW. Like that you have to speak. If I say CD, you will not say the English CD. You will say ABCD. From ABCD, you will speak say day. Okay. If I say Volkswagen, VW in short, you never say VW. You will say VW. Right? Got it till here? Tell me any doubt.
So, if it is a small, also then it is also same, right? Correct?
Small means?
So small letter B, small letter.
Yeah,
N.
obviously the name, these are the names of letters, na? Where is the doubt, right? If I write A like this or if I write A like this, you speak A, na? In English. So in German you will say ah, okay. I am just giving you some example, right? That let's say some name of companies there in capital letters, then you have to speak the German letters actually, okay. Now we'll be starting with the next topic of sounds. So far what you have done, you have just done the names of letters, okay. Now you have to start with the topic of sounds. Sounds means that what sounds will they carry. Let's say if A is there, B is there, the names of letters you have done, that A, B, C, D, so on. But what are the sounds of this? So that sounds will start now one by one. See here, see my screen. I will share this PDF to you. So German, as you know, it uses the Roman set of alphabets. Okay. So there are two parts, vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z. Okay. Can you see my screen?
I was just doing full screen.
Yeah. Can you see?
I can see.
Okay. So vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z. Now you have to start with the rules one by one. First of all, I am drawing one table. Okay. The table is B, D, G, P, T, K. That means any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, or G, in the spelling of the German word, if any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, and G, ending means in the end of the word, if it is B, D, or G coming up, then respectively the sound of B, D, and G will be per, ta, and ka. Okay? Per, ta, and ka sound will come. So speak this example.
Geep,
Geep. Next.
Kint,
Kint.
Tak.
Tak. Okay. Geep, Kint, and Tak. G-I-B, K-I-N-D, and T-A-G. Geep, Kint, and Tak.
Yeah.
Got it? Speak the example again. Geep, Kint, and Tak.
Geep,
Hmm.
Tak.
Yes, yes. Okay. Then now the first letter which we have is A. The first letter which we have is A. So A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay.
Okay.
A is having two sounds, A and A. The first sound is A and the second sound is A. So how you will decide? See, you have to just count the number of direct consonants. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z. These are the consonants. You have to directly count the number of direct consonants coming after A. Okay? You have to count the number of direct consonants coming after A. So let's take some example. A, L, T. Tell me here how many consonants are coming in the first word? 2. Okay. Then second, F, R, A, G, E, N. How many after A?
So like yeah, one is coming, then vowel is coming. So basically.
So yes, but direct consonant is only G. Only one is there. Then a vowel is there. So we will just stop the counting here. Okay? Right? Then next is T, R, A, G, E, N. How many consonants in this?
One.
One. Okay? Now the rule is after A, if it is only one consonant, then it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound. Okay? After A, if it is just one consonant, then it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound. A. Right?
Single.
Yes, yes, single A. In case single consonant is there. So if you see second and third example here, after A only one consonant, and again after A only one, tragen also. So A sound will come. That becomes like fragen and tragen. Okay? Yeah, speak it. Fragen and tragen.
Fragen, tragen.
Tragen, correct. Alt, fragen and tragen. Alt,
Tragen is
yes. Alt, fragen and tragen. Alt means old, fragen means to ask a question, and tragen is to carry. So you don't have to worry for the meanings right now. Leave the meanings. All the meanings will come up. Okay? Leave the meanings. Alt, fragen and tragen. Next is E. E is having the A sound A. A like you have a word in mathematics area of rectangle. So area A sound. Okay? That is the sound of German E. So speak the example on the right hand side.
Essen.
Listen. Next.
Eagle.
No, not egal.
Egal.
Yes. After a one consonant, so A sound will come. Egal.
Egal.
Okay, got the rule I told here? After a one consonant, A sound. So this becomes egal.
Egal.
Next is I. I is having two sounds. Long E and short E. Okay. long E and short E. After I, it is having two sounds, long E and short E. And the same logic. You have to do the counting of consonants. So after I, if it is one consonant, then it will have the long E sound, otherwise short E. Okay. After I, if it is just one consonant, then it will have the long E sound, otherwise short E. So speak the example. Ist. Ist. Next.
So, Wieder.
Wieder. Okay. Ist.
Then
Wieder. Okay. After I, if it is one consonant, that is wieder. Right? Yeah, you don't have to stretch it like wieder. Don't do like that. Normally you have to speak wieder.
Wieder.
Yes.
Wieder.
Yes. Then BILD. Speak next. Built. Okay. After I, if it is one consonant, two consonants, so short E. And if you remember, there was a table BDGPTK. Okay, D in the end, T sound. So that becomes built. Okay, clear? I is clear? Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, that will have the O sound. Otherwise, it will have the O for awesome sound. O for awesome. Okay. So speak the first example. Try to speak it.
So, Oder.
Oder. Next.
Then this is Sol.
Zol. Next.
Sol. Okay.
Hmm.
This is Monad.
Monad. Next.
Art.
Hmm.
So this is KORB.
KORB. Corp. Okay.
Yeah.
Oder. Zol. Monad and Corp. Okay. Oder, Zol, Monad and Corp. Got it now? So single S is Z. Single S is Z for zebra and double S is S. Oder, Zol, Monad and Corp. Right? Next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. Neither it is short nor it is long. Okay? U is having the U sound. Neither it is short nor it is long. So speak the example.
By short, long, what do you mean?
Like short, long, I mean that don't make it too short like ooh, and don't make it too long like ooh. Don't make it like that. Okay, it's normal. You have to speak normally. Ooh, simple. So speak the example. Tone. Second, motor.
Motor.
Yeah,
Motor.
the R. No, don't make it muter. That R sound is kind of glutral. Glutral means inside of the neck, like this. Okay. So that's a very soft sound, motor. Tone, motor, and next is shoe. Okay?
Shoe.
Next is shoe. So see this shoe example is very important. SCH is a consonant combination. SCH is a combination. SCH sound is fixed. SCH is sh sound. Okay? Some more sounds I'm giving you. EI is I. All these sounds you will see in the coming sessions. EI is I sound. Then I is E sound. AU is AO sound. Okay. These 2-3 combinations I am giving you. Later in the next lecture you will see remaining 10-15 more combinations of sounds. So SCH is Sha, EI is I is E and AU is AO. These sounds you have to learn. So if you see here SCH UH.
So wherever they come, like in the
Anywhere they come, right? Their sound is fixed. Just like you have heard of this company, like let's say if I say Bosch, okay, or if I say Schindler, right, or if I say Schneider, all these are having SCH, okay. So that's why the Sh sound is there. So SCH is Sh sound always. Speak this example: shoe, okay. H in the end is always silent, right? That I will cover today in the H. Right, just focus on SCH and U, so that becomes shoe. Right? Yes. Now what you have to do, see, first of all, I am sending this file to you. Okay, this pronunciation part 1. So first of all, you download this file. Read all the rules from the table, and then your A, E, I, O, and U, whatever we have done. Read all that first of all. Okay, go through it for 5 minutes and try to remember them, try to learn them. As you will start the consonants, you will be needing these A, E, I, O, U rules. Okay, So I'll just repeat again once and then you start. So see, first of all, I gave you a table. B, D, G, P, T, K. Any word ending with B, D, and G, the sound is per, ta, and ka. So that becomes geep, kint, and tag. Okay. Then next is A is having two sounds, A and A. We have to do the counting. After A, if it is one consonant, that will have the A sound. Otherwise, it is the A sound. So this becomes like alt, fragen, and tragen. Next is E. E is having the A sound, that becomes Essen and egal. Next is I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay, long E and short E, and that becomes like ist, wieder, and built. Okay, A, E, I. Next is O is having two sounds, O for solar, O for Korea, and O for awesome. After O, if it is one consonant, that's the O sound. Otherwise, it's O for awesome sound. So this becomes oder, zoll, monad, and corp. B in the end is per, corp. Last which we have done is U. U is having the U sound. Neither it is too short nor it is too long. It's simple U. So this becomes tun, mutter, and shu. SCH is combination. SCH is sh. Then I gave you some combinations. SCH is having sh sound. EI is I. Examples you will see now of EI and IE. EI is I. IE is E. And AU is OW. AU is OW.
Oh.
Okay. So now you download this file. Go through this file for 5 minutes. Try to remember the rules. Okay. Try to retain the rules. And after that, we will move ahead with the consonants. Okay. Download the file and read it for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I have downloaded it. Pa, te, pa, ti, ka, geep, a, u, alt, tragen, alt, essen, egal, i, wieder, wieder, u, I, e, Peter, ega, au, ega, single, a, ega, Victor, good, good, I, good. Total, sol, sol. Corp. Zal. Two meter shoe. तो ओ का ओ है, ओ का ओ, ओ, order, 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 Zal, Monad, Carp, Carp. E, I, I, okay,
Done from A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so what you have to do now, you will start from the top and you will explain me the rule in short, whatever you have understood, and then you will speak the example. Start from this table, BDGPTK.
So any word ending with basically B has to be sounded as P, D, ta, G. So give becomes geep, kent becomes kent, and tak becomes tak. So BDG becomes PTK. BDG becomes PTK. Okay. So
Yeah.
memorization.
Yeah. Okay. So speak the example.
तो हाँ गीप केंट टाक नाउ जो वॉवल्स हैं ए ई आई यू तो बेसिक
So we have two sounds, right? A and A. So after A, if it is one consonant, then it is A, otherwise A. So speak the example, only the example.
Right. Fragan.
Okay. Now speak the example of E.
Etsen. Agar.
Very good. Then I, speak the example of I.
Ist. Either. Built.
After I, if it is one consonant, that's long E, otherwise short E. And E, it was just A sound. So Essen and Egal. Then next is O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, that's O sound, otherwise O for awesome. So speak this example. Order.
Zal.
Order. Zol. Monad and Corp. Okay. Yes. Next is you. Speak the example.
Mutter. Shoe.
Tun, mutter and shoe. Okay. SCH is sure. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Let's start with the consonants. So first consonant which we have is B. Okay. So B is having two sounds. In the end is per and beginning or middle is B for ball. Okay. In the end is per and beginning or middle is B for ball. So speak the example first. Belen. Next. Oben. Next. Corp. Next. Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Right? Yes. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. B in the end is per, so that's Geep. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Next is C. C is having the K sound, K for kite. Okay. The K for kite, K sound is there. So speak this example. Blue color. Camping. Okay. It's an English word. So you can call it camping also in German, but it's an English word they have taken from English. So we can speak it like English mostly, right? Camping. Yeah.
And double consonants.
Yeah, all that thing is there, but you can ignore that rule because they have taken this word from English, so you can speak it like camping. That will also work.
Camping.
Okay. Next is D. D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay. D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example.
This was
Yeah,
bite,
doom. First one is doom. Doom.
doom, and bite.
Bida. Yeah.
Okay, bite. Okay. So E is silent or
No, no, it's not silent. E in the end is Bida. This EI is I. I told you, no?
yeah,
EI
yeah,
is a
EI,
vowel combination.
yeah,
Okay.
EI
EI
is
is I and I is E. So that becomes doom and then Bida. Bida. Next.
this is leader.
Vidar. Next.
This was Bart.
Bart. Next.
Hand.
Hunt.
Hand.
Hunt. Hunt. Okay. Doom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Hunt.
Hand, yeah.
Clear? Doom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Hunt.
Spider, leader, Bart, Hand.
Hunt. Next is F. F is fur. F is fur sound. Okay. Right? F is having the fur sound. So speak this example. First example.
Foul.
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 AU is ow. Okay. AU is ow. That is having the ow sound. So speak this. Foul.
Foul. Foul.
Yes. And next is SCHAF. Okay. SCH is sure. Clear?
Sure.
SCH is sure sound. After it is one consonant. So speak that. Shaft.
Sharp.
Okay. That is shaft. After it is one consonant. So that becomes shaft. Foul and shaft. Next is G. G in the end is K. From the table BDG PTK. G in the end is K. And beginning or middle is G for gun. Right? Beginning or middle is G for gun. So speak the example.
So, just
Yeah.
like for only for BDG, this changes there, like BTK.
Yes, yes,
Rest of the
yes.
consonant, they will be same.
Yeah, same means like whatever rules are coming, we'll see one by one. Okay, they are not same like English, but this rule is for these three letters only: B, D, G, P, T, K. Okay. So G in the end is K, beginning or middle is G for gun. So speak this example.
Gay gun,
Next.
tak,
Yeah.
kluk.
Yeah. Gegen, Tak, and Kluk. Okay.
Tak. Yeah.
Next
वो
is
थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन वहाँ होता है जब वो बीच में देखने लगते हैं ना ई मतलब इसका क्या होने वाला है
with practice it will be over, right? Right now it's like not even 30 minutes you have studied. So obviously today it is the first lecture, so it's not that much easy. Once you spend some time before we start the grammar, we'll practice more than 1,000 words, so no need to worry. Okay, you will be able to retain all the rules automatically. So I'll go a little bit slow in the beginning, right? You take your time, right? Once you practice some words, you will automatically remember all the letters one by one, the sounds especially. Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Beginning means in the first position. H in the beginning is her, and middle or end it is silent. Middle or end it is silent. So speak this example.
halt
Halt.
halt
Next.
gain
Gain. Yeah.
say
Zain.
Zain.
Okay. Halt, gain, and Zain. Now what you have to do? First of all, you download the file again. Read. First of all, you will read the vowels again. A, E, I, O, U. Once again. Okay. Then you will start with the consonant B, C, D, F, G, and H. Till H you have to do. Okay. Revise the rules, and you will revise the vowels again. You will revise all the vowels from A, E, I, O, U. Revise them and then read the consonant rules from B till H. Only till H. Okay. Yeah. Do them.
jeep tent top B B D G ओके ए का सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट आएगा वर्ड में सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट ए आई तो आ और ओ तो इसका ई का ए है एस एन एगार एगार ई में सिंगल और उसका रूप ई का सिंपल बनता है तो सिंगल और डबल किसका ए ई का ए होगा सिंपल मतलब ई का तो ये आई आई ई ई ई होगा और ई आई आई होगा ईस्ट रीडर बिल्ट बिल्ट बी डी जी बी डी का तो वो है 2 मीटर शी, तो ए ई आई ओ ई, बी का बॉल है और इसका बी है बी, तो इसमें बैलन, आर ओ ओबन, कार्प, हीप। सेकंड कंपोनेंट ओके हाँ, तो ई बी का बॉल है और बी का बॉल है, सी का सी का के रहेगा हमेशा कैप्टन, सी खत्म है, डी का डी है, डी है बी डी, डू बाइडर 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 रीडर, बाट, हॉन्ट हॉन्ट,
Now revise till FGH. Okay.
फाउल फाउल, शार्प फाउल शार्प, गीगन गीगन हमेशा ई गी गीगन गीगन गीगन, टाक क्लूक, क्लूक आ रहा है halt gain same zine 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 halt हो गया रमन।
Yeah, 1 second. Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to start the letters from B. Okay. Speak the examples directly. Belen,
हाँ बैलन, ओबन, कार्प
corp,
कार्प गीप,
hmm.
फिर सी का कैंपिंग था,
Camping. Next D,
डी का डूम हो गया,
dome. Yeah.
तो ये डबल है, अच्छा ठीक है वही
Dome. Okay.
ये आपका बाय डे, एक तो ए वाई था उसमें, बाय डू ई का, अच्छा ई का जब एंड में आता है तो ऐसा कुछ फंडा नहीं था है ना, बाय
Yeah,
वो
nothing.
ए
E in the end is E in the end is that becomes bider. Okay.
तो ये रीडर
Yeah.
और ये बाट
Bart. Next.
और ये हान,
Hunt. Reader, Bart and Hunt. Next is F. Speak the examples of F.
तो ये फाउल,
Foul.
शाह,
Yeah.
शार्प, तो ये हो गया। फिर नेक्स्ट जी आपका, जी का है गेगन, टाक और क्लूक,
Klug. Gegen, Tak and Klug. Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent. Okay.
साइलेंट,
H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent.
Silent.
So speak the examples.
तो हल्ट,
Halt. Little bit I you have to put. Don't make it pure halt. Little bit A. Halt.
हल्ट,
Gain.
गेगन गेन
Gain. Next.
एंड जेन,
Zayn. Okay. SEHEN. That becomes Zayn. Halt. Gain and Zayn. Clear? Next is J. J is having the y sound. Okay. J is having the y sound. Speak the example.
युंग
Yunga.
युंग
Yeah. Yunga. Okay, next is K, L, M, and P. That is having the same sound like English. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. Same sound like that. Okay, so speak the examples.
Okay. Class.
Klasa, yeah.
Okay. Klasa. Uh, Chicken.
Chicken, next.
Keller.
Keller, next.
Will.
Will,
Ottoman.
Hartman, yeah.
Uh, Shrimp.
Shrimp, shrimp, SCHWIMM, shrimp, yeah.
ये
Shrimp.
R है क्या?
No, this is SCHWWIMM, shrimp. Next, Renan. After that, Renan.
Renan. Brown.
Brown,
Brown.
next.
Brown.
Yeah.
ये आपका Lipper.
Lippa.
Lippa.
Correct. So just revise them again. Revise the rules from H till P. Okay. Go through them for 2 minutes. Revise them, and then we'll move ahead with Q.
अच्छा हाँ so आगे है तो हा है हर्ट बीच में है एंड में है तो साइलेंट है गेन जेन जे का आपका वाई ऑट होती है वो तो उसमें युंगो युंगो हो गया ये जो है यूएच है युंगो तो के का ये सेम ही है बाकी सब पे ध्यान रखना है तो ए है इस पे और ई है तो एस का क्लासर क्लासर शिकिन Keller, Will, Utman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, Lipper. Casa, Chicken, Keller, same Will, Utman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, Lipper. Okay. मतलब अभी फिर से पूछोगे थोड़ी देर बाद तो बताएंगे Chicken, Keller, Will, Utman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, Lipper. Game, Bingo.
Yes. Speak the examples from H now.
Yeah, Halt, Gain, Zayn, J का Younger और Klasa, Chicken, Keller, Will, Woodman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, Lipper.
Yeah. Cluster, Chicken, Keller, Will, Hartman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, and Lippa. Done? Till P it's over. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Let's take some more. Q. Okay. Q always comes with U in German. Right? Q always comes with U and QU sound is Q. Okay. QU sound is Q. Speak the example. Quer. Next is R. R is glottal. Glottal means like something coming from inside of the neck. R plus H. R. So speak this. Riser. Speak.
Riser.
Next. Brooder. Schwester. Okay.
अच्छा नहीं इसमें क्या फंडा था आर का मैं एक्सप्लेन
R.
आर कहीं भी आएगा Beat front ending.
Glottal R, right? Glottal R. In French also it's spoken like that only. R plus H mix. Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Riser, brooder,
And Schwester. Okay.
Schwester.
Yeah. Whenever R is in the end, then you don't have to stress it too much, right? Just make it very soft. Brooder and Schwester. Okay.
Acha.
Yes. Next is S. Single S is Z. Z for zebra. And double S is Sir. Single S is Z and double S is Sir. So speak the example.
Zingen,
Zingen. Next.
Schlosser.
Schloss. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay. Speak the example.
Tankin,
Tanken.
Rating.
Ratten. Tanken and Ratten.
Rating.
Okay. Next is V and W. So V is fur and W is were. Right? V is fur and W is were. So speak the example.
Volkswagen,
Volkswagen. Okay. Volkswagen and next feel. Okay. Volkswagen feel.
Feel.
Next
for
next
Wasser,
next
vegan,
next
wa,
wo. Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan and wo. Next is X. X is X only, just like English. X is simple X. Okay. So X sound is X only.
अल्फाबेट में करेक्ट तो X बोल रहे थे ना सर?
That was the name of letter, right? I am saying the English X that is having the same sound like X in German. Okay. That was X was the name of letter. I am talking about the sound. So sound is X only, like English. So this becomes X Strahlen. Speak. X Strahlen.
X Strahlen.
Yeah, name of letter is different and sound is different, right? Your letter name is Sagar S, but I call you as Sagar. So S is the name of letter and sound is Sir. So sound is different, name of letter is different. So name of letter is X, Epsilon und Z, X, Y and Z, but the sounds is totally different. Okay. Next is Y. Y is Ui. Okay. Y is Ui, TYP. Speak this. Twip. Good. Last letter for today is Z. Z in German, the name is Set. You know, X, Epsilon und Set. So Set is the name of letter and the sound is Sir. Ta and Sa mix. Okay. The sound of Ta and Sa mix. So this becomes like Sight and Sook. Okay. Sight and Sook. Speak this example. Sight and Sook.
Sight and Sook.
If you see these words, you know, this left hand side is the German word. Rightmost is the meaning. Sight means time and Sook means train. Right? And in middle the sound is written like Sight and Sook. So this middle what I have written in double quotes like feel, I have written like feel, for, vegan, wo. That is the sound which, you know, after the class you can go through the PDF and just revise the sound. So that these double quotes will help you to understand the sound. Okay?
Words may vocabulary.
Yes. So today we'll do till Z, right? Today it is just the first lecture. Once you start in the next lecture, we'll be starting again from the ABCD again, right? Today it is nothing to learn, just for you to see that, you know, whether you are able to understand the things or not. Okay? So no homework as such. Just if you get time, just revise this much till Z first of all. I'm sending you both the files here. Okay? So the second file we have not done fully. Only till Z we have done. So only till Z you have to read. Okay, yeah, just 1 second, let me end this.